understand is court has granted told the office secretary आमचो आसा न्ही कोर्ट मेंबर ताका सांगला आनी तुवें पयलीं आनी पेमेंट आनी करप कोणाक in such time the next date they give a proper reason then what is the so we are going as per law whatever is there.
So as of now there is no body that is existing.
Actually as per their statement also there is no executive committee because what is written in our constitution is that executive committee ceases to exist 15 July मागीर आणि एक committee member ना पण so if there is no committee then how committee is supposed to elect the president no so if the committee only is not existing how can the president exist. There has to be a committee first of all. Now committee's term is over. When committee's term is over, we are no longer committee members. So we cannot say we are committee members. Our committee term is over. आता दुसरी committee तो काढपा जायची normal member. Now we are normal members. You and me are same normal now. Now if you are committee only is not there, how can you have president, vice president, secretary? And आमचो vice president आशिल्लो जसवंत रगांचा. He resigned because of that. He said all irregularities are happening in the association. So he resigned. But treasurer Rahul Naik Malato. What he said is that I am no longer in the committee. I am no longer treasurer also. He refused to sign the check. पहिली जी कमिटी आशिल्ली न्ही ती 30 जुनाक काबार आसा तेन्ना दे शूड हॅव कंडक्टेड द इलेक्शन. सो आमचो तो चेअरमॅन आशिल्लो पळय तांणी इलेक्शन कंडक्ट करून मिटींग पोस्टपोन करून उडयली. सो ऑल द मेंबर्स आर वेटिंग फॉर द इलेक्शन. सो वी टोल्ड हिम यू कंडक्ट द इलेक्शन. 15 जुलय पयलीं तेचा काय टायम आशिल्लो तेन्ना आमचो जो प्रेसिडेंट तेन्ना आशिल्लो पळय ही जस्ट पोस्टपोन द मिटींग टू 28 जुलय. सो आनी आतां तो म्हणटा मिटींग पोस्टपोन जाल्यार आतां इलेक्शन घेवपाक शकना आपूण. आनी मदीं 3-4 म्हयने म्हणटालो की आमी इलेक्शन घेता करून टायम काडलो. आमचो एक मेंबर आसा ऑद्रिक काब्राल म्हणून त्यांनी केस फायल केली अगेन्स्ट ऑल द कमिटी मेंबर्स. वी आर ऑल्सो पार्ट ऑफ द कमिटी. आय एम पार्ट ऑफ द कमिटी. दॅट वाय इलेक्शन्स यू आर नॉट कंडक्टेड.
One of our member has filed a suit against the committee and including the nomination chairman, vice chairman, Ani Sokle and office secretary. See, I had taken a election on July 30th and the eligibility list came out only on Friday and the election was declared on Saturday. So some of the members said since the eligibility list came just a day before the election, we should be given time for campaigning, and the election was postponed to by 1 month. So we decided to keep the election on 28th of August. 28th of August after 1 month. When I went out of station, I was out of the country. Meantime, some of the members filed an application saying that you have to hold an election within 15 days. But at the time of postponing the election, nobody had an objection saying that you have to do the election within 15 days. Everybody agreed for 1 month late, and accordingly we took the election on 28th of August, where a waiver was required because the election was delayed by 15 days. So when I went for the election for the second AGM, election waiver was not granted by some of the members and I was unable to hold the election. So election waiver can be taken only once in a year, that is for the AGM, which was not granted, and that is why the election could not be conducted. Cabral is demanding for election. I am also demanding for election, but as per the constitution, I don't want illegal elections. Like how last 4 years President did illegal election, I don't want election that time. Mr. Atul Jadhav, last 4 years without election he was taking the chair, and that time nothing was there. And आता के की जाला because he is not a chairman, the commission घेवपा मेळना. सगळी बारज्यो कोण हे गरीब लोक आहे ते बारजी इंकिताय आनी इंकीत तेन्ना आतां ताका प्रेसिडेंट ना म्हूण तें कमिशन ताका मेळना आनी ताका लागून ती कुर्सी जायी. पयलें बिझनस पासून आमगे एसोसिएशनां येता तें प्रेसिडेंटाकूय येतालें. आयज बिझनस आहा तें ट्रान्सपरन्सी आहा, सगळीं लोकां बोगली वयता, मेंबरां बोगली वयता, प्रेसिडेंटा बोगली येयना. आनी हें सगळें तेका आपणा हातीन घेवपा जाय देखून हो एसोसिएशन तो आपूण कंट्रोल करूंक सोदिता. लास्ट 11 years आमचे मेंबर सफर जाले आनी आय डोंट वॉन्ट टू आवर मेंबर्स टू सफर मोर. तो आमचो हिंगाचो न्हू, तो महाराष्ट्राचो येवन हिंग कोदेल घेता आनी हिंगा आमची गोंयची लोकां शिकयता, वीच इज व्हेरी रॉंग. And I will not allow our Goan members to suffer because of this Atul Jadhav.